Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and enjoying my beauty videos. If you are new to my channel, I am Vaishali. Please like, share and comment on my videos and subscribe to my channel. Who in this world doesn't want to look young and fresh? All of us would like to look young and fresh. I have a secret how to look young. The face mask which I use normally helps me to look young. The face mask is 100% natural, so you don't need to worry about any side effect. The face mask also slow down your aging process and make your skin soft and moisturized. The face mask is also tighten your skin and make your face glow. So let's see how to make it. To make this face mask, we need a 1 spoon of green tea powder, 1 spoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and we have to mix it very well. We have to make a thick paste so that our face mask is ready. Now I will show you how to apply the face mask. Before you apply the face mask, make sure you clean your face. I just cleaned my face. Now I will show you how to apply the face mask. You apply a very thin layer. And you have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes on your face, and after 10 to 15 minutes you have to wash your face with normal and cold water. So I have applied the face mask all over my face, and after 10 minutes I will wash my face and show you the result. 10 minutes I wash my face and you can see the result. So please try this DIY at home and share your result in the comment section below. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.